Well, good morning on day 5. Lake Superior is kind of waking up a little bit. We have a little bit more wind. And it's kind of nice. There's some waves crashing over the breaker, rather pretty. A chance though that I might get a little windy on into the microphone, so I'm going to sneak into this little, can't even tell you what it is besides timber frame. It's Norwegian, some type of big, I guess. Cool little building here, but hey, just like that, we might be out of the wind, and oh look, there's the lighthouse. All right, and in addition, long arms here. In addition, I wear my Canadian shirt so I could blend in up here and look like a tourist instead of a Minnesotan. All right, day 5, we were making a lot of progress, had fun at pizza night. If you didn't catch yesterday's video, day 4, watch that one if that's the only one you watch to the end, because you see a little bit of pizza night here, community pizza night at North House. That is very cool. Just leave it at that, very cool. So I think we keep talking about Girts. We might finally get to a Girt today. And using the router, I know there's going to be a demo on that. So yeah, I have more tenons to cut too. So I'll be doing the tenons. We'll probably get on the Girt. And it should be another awesome day here at North House.
Good spot. Yeah, that's where I want to be, right here. And just kind of working it all back. This is going to fly out of there pretty well.
Well, it is lunchtime. It's all quiet in the shop, even the nappers in the back corner. King posts right down there are all finished up. The rest of the posts are done all the way across for each corner. And we got one of our, I don't even know what you want to call it, shoulders for the girts that sit in. Ben finished that up. Now I am going to head out by the water and finish up lunch out there. Listening to the rollers come in. Yes. Like I said, the rollers are coming in a little bit more. Oh. This was a tough gig doing lunch here on the shores. In the fire pit, it is all good. And we get to see the captain. And they'll be heading out on the water. I think we actually got a little bit of them in the morning. All right. All right, hopefully we get one nice big crasher coming over. Lovely. All right. That's pretty nice. All right, enjoy lunch.
My brain's not firing.
Your brain's not fine?
No.
4 fingers and a thumb. We did that last night. That's 5.
5.
Day 5.
Day 5.
Day 5.
There's no 2 ways to do 5. You can't. It's not like 4.
No.
You guys got this now?
No. Mm-mm. Nope.
You've seen him running around videos. That's Tom.
We're on video.
We're on video. Watch him
Starting to
run.
wonder, yeah.
Watch
Perfect.
him run now.
Yeah.
Day 5 is in the books. We actually got something done.
Did we?
Posts are done.
Oh. It's done.
King posts are done.
Done.
These were done yesterday.
They were.
No Girts today.
No Girts today.
Maybe tomorrow.
I'm not gonna let you guys have those Girts yet.
Maybe. Maybe not. Anyways, it was a good day.
It was.
Very good day.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're all going out to dinner as a class. That should be kind of fun.
Yep.
So, that's it.
Day 5.
Day 5.
See you tomorrow.
Perfect.
I think the more awkward we make it, the better.